Hey, this is John from New Internet Wealth, and today I want to talk about how to use done-for-you email swipes for email marketing and affiliate marketing. So email marketing is a super easy way to make money online, and the process is actually very easy. If we'll go down here and let me pull up a simple email funnel, and this funnel basically just shows that all you need to do is have a squeeze page or email opt-in page. This is where people will give you their email. And then after they give you their email, these are optional. You can show them some upsell offers. But the real key is having these automated email messages that are sent out to your subscribers over time. Now, this funnel only shows 7 email messages that are going out, but you can literally put in dozens, if not hundreds, of automated emails to go out, one every day, one every other day, whatever kind of frequency you prefer. And so you could literally have weeks, if not months or even years, of automated emails that are going out. So you only have to focus on one thing, getting people to opt in to your squeeze page. So where people tend to struggle is what to use as content in these email messages. And that's what we're going to talk about today, is how to use done-for-you email swipes. Swipes are just messages. So done-for-you email swipes or email messages that you can load up into your autoresponder to be sent out automatically. So obviously for this you are going to need an email autoresponder, and I really only recommend 2 companies. The first is Aweber. This is the company that I currently use, and the other is GetResponse. Now both Aweber and GetResponse have free options that you can start with, and then they are a monthly subscription service after you hit the end of the free quota. But I recommend only Aweber or GetResponse because both of them are friendly to affiliate marketing. There's a lot of email autoresponders that do not like affiliate links in their email messages and will shut down your account without warning, but Aweber and GetResponse are much more friendly to affiliate marketing, so I only recommend one of them. Now, if you need help with email marketing, if it's something you're new and not used to, then I would recommend you go take a look at this course called Email on Fire. Email on Fire is a system from Kevin Fay. He's a very successful email marketer. He's been doing it for years and years and makes a lot of money just from email marketing. And so he covers his strategies that you can use to be successful email marketing. So if you need help with making sure you're doing email marketing correctly, then I'll leave a link for this course down below, and this is definitely worth picking up. So what we really want to talk about in this video is how to get done-for-you email swipes that you can put into your email autoresponder to be sent out automatically. There's lots of places you can get email swipes. I would caution, you'll see people that recommend using email swipes that are provided from product sellers. And so you could go to an affiliate platform like ClickBank, and you may want to promote a product, and that product seller provides some email swipes for that product. Now those might be okay to use, but a lot of times they are very spammy, and they're going to get flagged as spam and not sent to the inbox of the people you're trying to reach. So I'd be very careful about that. Instead, I would look at picking up email swipes that are done by professional writers. One person that I really like that has a very engaging and captivating writing style is Lee Murray. He puts out these email swipe kits, and the kit includes an opt-in page, 30 days of email messages, as well as some traffic training and other training on how to set up the whole thing. And so he sells several different of these kits. I'm going to show you a few of them, and they're all geared towards the make money online niche or internet marketing niche, which is a great niche to go after for email marketing. This first one is called the Recurring Income Kit. It's only $12.95, really great price if you ask me. And what he promotes in here are products that are subscription based, so you make recurring income every month. And these work. You know, I make about $100 to $150 every month from Aweber, as well as another $100 a month from GetResponse, you know, by recommending their services. And these are all services that people need if they're going to be working online in an online business. And so you can make money recurring month after month. And so he gives you 30 days of email swipes. So there's 30 email messages right there to put into your autoresponder. Now he does offer a opt-in page that you can use, traffic training, as well as training for the whole system, and that's pretty much what all his kits will have. But really, the main thing you're going to pull out of here are the 30-day email follow-up messages. Another one that he offers is called High Ticket Kit, and this is great because these are, again, 30 days of email messages that only promote high-ticket affiliate products, where you're going to earn $500 or more per sale, okay? And this is, again, just $12.95, and you're going to get the same, an email opt-in page, the 30 days follow-up messages, etc. Another one that and these are just a few. He offers lots of these. This one is all about traffic. One of the main things people that are trying to earn money online struggle with is traffic. And so these are 30 days of emails that promote traffic services, okay? And so you're going to get, again, 30 days of email messages, opt-in page, etc. Really, really great. You just plug all these into your autoresponder. And so if you were to just pick up, these 3 different ones, the recurring income kit, high traffic kit, and the, high ticket kit, and the traffic kit, that'd be 90 days. 30, 30, 30, 90 days. Right there. He offers lots more. Or if you get email swipes from other places, again, you just plug them into your email autoresponder, and you have these automated messages going out. And that's the beauty of it, right? You're promoting things via automated email marketing. Now, one other thing I would just point out, again, a lot of things that, that people promote, kind of make low, maybe, money per sale, and you'd like to maybe do some high ticket sales. Well, that's what this product called High Ticket Riches is all about. And so if you're interested in doing some high ticket affiliate marketing and really making literally 500, 1,000 or more per sale, then you may want to come pick up High Ticket Riches. The front end is very good training, so you definitely would want to pick that up. But then I would encourage you to also pick up the first upsell, because you're going to get a done-for-you website with articles and links to high-ticket products. You're going to get 14 done-for-you email swipes that you can, again, load into your email autoresponder, and you're going to get another opt-in page as well. And really worth it, especially if you want to try to promote high-ticket offers. So I hope you find that helpful to get your email funnel set up. Use these done-for-you swipes. Don't struggle trying to write things yourself. And really get a nice long email follow-up sequence that goes out over weeks, months, or even years that you can continue to make money from. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you can get more access to more videos as I put them out. And thank you so much for watching.